If you're an artist or DIY enthusiast, having the right tools makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best staple gun for canvas stretching, ensures your artwork stays tight, secure, and professional looking. Let's explore the top options for your next project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max. The DeWalt 20V Max staple gun is a powerhouse tool ideal for anyone serious about canvas stretching, upholstery, or woodworking. What makes this tool stand out is its 100% battery-powered operation, removing the hassles of dealing with gas, compressors, and cumbersome hoses. This freedom of movement makes it a favorite for both professionals and hobbyists working in varied environments. At its core, the brushless motor offers increased runtime and excellent durability, ensuring you can tackle demanding tasks without frequent downtime. The motor's design also enhances efficiency, giving you the confidence that each staple will drive cleanly and securely into your canvas or wood frame. A particularly user-friendly feature is the tool-free selectable trigger, which allows for quick switching between sequential and contact actuation modes. This means you can easily alternate between precise single staples and rapid stapling sequences, depending on the needs of your project. The tool-free depth adjustment further adds to the versatility, letting users achieve precise countersinking of staples for a clean, professional finish. Whether you're mounting an artist's canvas or securing trim, this feature ensures consistent results. Another significant advantage is its compatibility with all DeWalt 20V Max batteries. If you're already invested in the DeWalt battery ecosystem, this adds tremendous value and convenience. Even if you're new to DeWalt tools, the easy battery interchangeability future-proofs your toolkit. Number 2. BIELMEIER 20V Nail Gun. The BIELMEIER 20V nail gun is an impressive option for canvas stretching, combining portability, safety, and efficiency in a sleek, cordless design. This upgraded version uses advanced impact drive technology, providing better control and superior efficiency than traditional nail guns. It's compatible with 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 to 1 1/4 inch and 18-gauge 1/4 crown staples from 5/8 to 1, offering flexibility for various fastening applications beyond just canvas stretching. One of its standout features is the cordless operation powered by a 20V Max 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. This eliminates the constraints of electrical outlets, gas, or compressors, making it a highly portable solution for indoor or outdoor projects. It can fire up to 2,000 nails per full charge, which is more than enough for most canvas stretching tasks and other upholstery projects. Safety is a top priority with the BIELMEIER 20V nail gun. It fires only when the safety striker pin is fully depressed against the work surface, significantly reducing the risk of accidental discharge. The battery also includes charging and discharging protection, enhancing operational safety and durability over time. Ergonomics play a crucial role in its design. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for prolonged use without causing hand fatigue. The non-slip rubber handle adds extra comfort and security, essential for precise stapling on canvas frames. It's also equipped with a built-in LED light, illuminating dark or tight workspaces for greater accuracy and safety. The bottom-loading quick-release magazine simplifies staple and nail installation, saving time and frustration, especially when you're working through a large project. This makes it a very user-friendly tool for both beginners and seasoned craftsmen. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel staple gun delivers exceptional performance and reliability, solidifying its place as one of the best staple guns for canvas stretching. This high-performance tool offers consistent and clean staple setting, whether you're working with hardwood frames or soft canvases. Its cordless convenience is a game-changer, providing unrestricted mobility for a range of projects. One of its most notable features is zero ramp-up time, allowing immediate firing without any delay. This improves workflow efficiency and ensures you can move seamlessly through your tasks without unnecessary interruptions. Capable of driving staples ranging from 3/8 to 1.5 inch, the M18 Fuel accommodates various project needs, making it suitable for canvas stretching, upholstery, and light construction jobs. The staple gun comes with 2 work contact tips, enhancing precision and adaptability. These tips allow you to tailor the tool's performance based on your project's specific material and thickness. Whether you need firm penetration into hardwood or a gentler approach for delicate canvases, this versatility ensures professional results. Number 4. Metabo N3804AB3 Narrow. The Metabo N3804AB3 Narrow Crown Stapler is a reliable and efficient tool, making it a strong candidate for the best staple gun for canvas stretching. This lightweight, well-balanced stapler weighs just 2.3 pounds, offering excellent maneuverability and ease of use during extended projects. Designed to work with 18-gauge narrow crown staples ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch, the Metabo N3804AB3 provides versatility for various applications. From canvas stretching and trem work to cabinetry and other fine finish jobs, this tool delivers consistently high-quality results. Its capacity to hold up to 100 staples ensures you can work longer between reloads, increasing overall productivity. A key feature of this stapler is the selective actuation switch, which allows users to easily toggle between sequential fire and contact nailing modes. This flexibility is especially beneficial when shifting from precise single staples to rapid firing during larger projects. Number 5. Newmaster NTC0070 Staple Gun. The Newmaster NTC0070 Staple Gun is a practical and budget-friendly tool for canvas stretching and light upholstery work. Featuring advanced impact drive technology, this staple gun ensures stable and consistent stapling performance, offering better penetration and control than traditional solenoid-driven models. One of its most appealing aspects is its portability and lightweight build. Weighing just 2.46 pounds and measuring 7.2 × 2 × 6.2 inches, it's easy to handle and carry, making it an excellent option for DIYers and hobbyists. The cordless design eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or power cables, providing greater freedom of movement for a variety of projects. The Newmaster NTC0070 is compatible with regular T50 staples from 1/4 to 1/2, a standard size that's readily available at most hardware stores. It comes with a USB fast charger and a micro USB cable, offering convenient charging options for modern users. This adds to its practicality, especially when you need to charge on the go or in different workspaces.